Hi everyone, so today I've come to share with you a journal kit and a journal. Now this is a journal kit and it's called Spring Mist and it's the Traveller's Notebook size. This is a collaboration with Artymaze, and Artymaze, who is Andrea, she has the full size journal kit in her Etsy store, and I will have the Traveller's Notebook sized kit in my website. Both links will be below. I'm just gonna show you a quick flip through of all the pages, and then after that then you will see the journal that I've made. So in total there are 29 pages in each kit, and like I said, this one is the Traveller's Notebook size. I'm just making sure I'm in a frame here. Okay, so we have that page. I've just printed these out in copy paper. I'm just going to be backing these anyway, because as you know, I'm having problems with my printer. These are absolutely beautiful pages. It's got flowers, butterflies, kind of got like watercolours going through it. This page I absolutely adore. I feel like I could walk through it if I was little. It just kind of feels like, you know, you've got a lot going on with the flowers in the background, like, you know, like a field of flowers. And then this one here with the lovely yellow, the yellow flowers there, they're ever so pretty. And then we have this page here. And then this page, and this page, and you know, all the pages, well, a lot of the pages, you know, you've got the designs, but you've still got journaling room on the actual pages, which is one of my favorite types of papers. These are onto the backing pages now, but you can still use these you know, as just normal pages if you want to, and you can cut them down, make pockets with them to match the Traveller's Notebook size. Another background paper, and another one. So it is very spring, as it's called, a spring mist. Just some beautiful colours. I'm not sure if it's that way around, but anyway, either way that could go. Versatile pages. Love this. This would be great to, you could chop this up and make tags, and then you've got some nice backgrounds there for your tags as well. And there's another background paper. It was not too much shadowing. And then here another one. This is like quite faint and, you know, set in the background. Then some lined background paper. You can obviously print these on the backs of the actual Traveller's Notebook size pages. So then we have a collection of tags. I think there's quite a few tags in here. There is. I love tags. They're my favourite. Then we've got two little envelopes. We have this envelope here with the journal card to match, and then some more tags. We have some ephemera and then some corner pockets here that fit onto the page. Then here we have some journal cards. You can actually keep them as like double journal cards, as I do a lot, or you can fold them in half, glue them or stitch them, and you've got just like the one journal card. And then another set there, and then these. Then we have the 3 pockets. These would be great on like the side of a page, and you can tuck some tags in there. And then you've got a roll of tickets, which would be great to make little clusters with. A long pocket there. Some tabs, some circles, obviously punch them out and use them as little dangles and things, and I love the clocks with the flower on there as well. And then here we just have some butterfly full stamps, and you've got the larger ones and then the smaller ones, and then a selection of butterflies. So there we go. So that is the kit, and like I said, Artymaze, it has the full journal size in her Etsy shop, and that will be linked below. And obviously I have the Traveler's Notebook size, and that will be in my shop. And then, you know, you'll see my journal once I've finished showing you this. So thank you for watching. So I'm back to share with you the journal that I've made using the kit that I've just shown you. I haven't used everything, but I have used a lot of the kit. It's a fabric cover, and obviously this is the Traveler's Notebook size that I have and is available in my shop. We've got this lovely fabric here, and I made a topper just using some double layers of cardstock, piece of one of the pages from one of the kits, a tag from the kit, the ticket from the kit, the butterfly, and I've just kind of peeked that underneath, or tucked it, not peeked it, tucked it under there, and then it's peeked out here. This little saying here is actually from Artymaze, and I think it's a freebie on her Facebook group, and it says, all the flowers of all the tomorrows are in the seeds of today. And I've also used an Artymaze label, which is a freebie. Got some bling on here. We've got eyelets and string as a closure, and let's do a flip through of this. Like I said, all the links will be below. The link to Andrea's kit, which is the full journal size, and the link to mine, which is the Traveler's Notebook size, will be below. Sorry if there's a little bit of shadowing, just making sure I'm in frame. There we go. So let's go inside. So it's got coffee dyed cardstock on the inside, and one of the pages from the kit, this is one of my favourite pages. I've used one of the pages to make some pockets, and I've used the 4 stamps, and this actually kind of lifts up so you can see the other butterfly underneath. Obviously it will lay flat when the book's closed. We have a tag from the kit, and a stamped tag that I made. It's coffee dyed and inked up. Some doilies, some music paper, another little stamp tag that I made, and that's just paper clipped on. Here is, it's one of the pages, and I'd actually accidentally printed off another couple of pages, and I just chopped that up and made some tags with it. We've got a fabric tab here. There is lots of journal room, another page from the kit. Here I've done a corner tuck using one of the background pages. I've used one of the tickets, the butterflies. I've got some lace trim going down here. It's got little love hearts on there. We have a tag from the kit. And we have a double journal card, which I've backed onto some coffee dyed paper. And here's an envelope from the kit, and it's got a matching journal card. You could actually just glue around there and there and make another pocket. So you could, just thought about that. And that goes in there. Here is one of the pages that I just turned into an envelope. There's nothing in the envelope, but it's been backed onto coffee dyed paper. I've used one of the little 4 tickets, 4 stamps, sorry, and popped a butterfly on there, so that's paper clipped, so you can stuff that with all your memories. The journal itself will be for sale in my shop too. Again, used one of the pages, done some edge punching here, popped on a butterfly there. It's got some bling. Another tag that I've made from one of the pages. Little envelope, and I've put one of the little full stamps on there, and it's just got some lined paper inside there. And this, I coffee dyed the back, then I gessoed it, then I sealed it on the front. I was getting a little bit happy with gesso and glue and stuff like that. Well, I decoupage glue, so it's nice and shiny as well. A doily, some more music paper, another tag just clipped on there. This is the old design shop. Another tag, and I think I made that from one of the pages. Some nice pizza pan marking on here. Another fabric tab. Centre of the signature, I've done some tags here with some butterflies. Got a nice shimmer to that because my coffee's got shimmer mist in there. Another tag from the kit, and these 2 pockets actually come with the kit as well. Obviously, if you've just watched the beginning of this video, then you will see that. These are just 2 of the 4 stamps, and I've just layered them up. and obviously just glued here and here to make that a tuck as well. Another tag from the kit, and then this double journal card kind of matches that tag a little bit. Well, it all matches really, but I mean it just matches together in that on that page. So there we have it. Some more coffee dyed papers, another tag that I made from one of the pages. Some the old design shop, another tag on here, that's music paper, a doily, another one of the pages, and I just used the edge of it to do some punching, and then a butterfly there. Another tag, and I can't remember if that's from the kit, one of the actual tags, or one of the pages that I've just used to make a tag. Some more coffee dyed lined paper inside there that doesn't want to go in. Another little full stamp, it's got a little butterfly on there. Another lovely page, and another envelope, and it's got nothing in it, but that one's got lines, so you could do some journaling on there and tuck things in there. Another full stamp as a closure stopper, and another pocket that I've made using one of the pages from the kit, and it's got that lace trim, a ticket and a butterfly. Another tag, and this is an envelope from the kit. There's nothing in it, but you could put something long in there, or fold something up a few times and pop it in there. And then we have another double journal card, and that goes in there. Another tag that I made from one of the pages, and all them tags have just been backed onto coffee dyed paper. Another stamp tag here. Excuse me. My mouth's all dry from the heating in here, and I haven't spoke for hours. Another tag, that's actually a tag from the kit. There's actually more tags, but I didn't pop them all in. There's obviously still a lot of things that I didn't use. I'm going to be making another TN with what I didn't use, because there is 29 pages in this kit. A little full stamp, again the pocket has been made using one of the pages from the kit. Another butterfly on there with some bling, and some of the love heart trim there. So that is the journal. So I hope you like the kit, and like I said, this is a collaboration with Artymaze. She has the normal size, you know, the normal journal size on her Etsy, and I have the TN in my shop. So both of them will be linked in the description box if you want to go over and take a peek. If you have any questions, just ask, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.